Hello Plaskers! Are you ready to show off your dance moves and win some awesome prizes? We're thrilled to announce our Submit Your Dance Moves animation contest. Here's how you can participate. First, join the contest by using the Plask app to extract motion from dance footage. Just make sure that you own the rights to the videos or have obtained permission to use them. We'll provide you with the correct file Naye, which you can find in the left panel of the Plask app. Feel free to use any other 3D tools if you prefer to edit, texture, and render your animation. Submission should be under 15 seconds and in a 9:16 aspect ratio. Share your amazing creation on Instagram Reels or Instagram posts, and don't forget to use the hashtag #PlaskDanceChallenge and mention Plask.ai so we can see them. Make sure that your account is set to public and the post is valid until the end of the contest period. Keep in mind that your submission may be used as Plask marketing material in the future. We'll judge your works based on how well you use Plask to create the animation and the overall vibe of the dance moves you choose. There will be 3 winners who will receive a 3-month Mocha Pro license and will be featured on my social media. So don't wait, get your dancing shoes on and you could be one of the lucky winners. And most importantly, have fun while participating in the contest. Can't wait!